We're gonna play with some slime because we went shopping today and we found some really cool slime. Okay, open it. Show us the slime.
Look at this.
Okay, here we go. Okay, what kind of slime did you get? Show us.
I got this one.
Which is
Pink.
unicorn slime.
Got a unicorn.
Okay.
Maybe.
Wait. Show it to us. Look, there's a unicorn inside. Wait, I wanna see it again. And it's pink. Okay, show us the other ones.
Okay. It got something inside
That one is also slime.
it. Picture.
Yeah, of the little bear. Look at that, that's so
And we
cute.
got another one bear. Like
That's a panda. Yay. Okay, so which one do you want to open right now?
this one.
You want to open that one? Okay, open it. Oh my goodness. Wait, I gotta get closer to this. Wow. See it?
Then we need to get some more.
Unicorn. Oh, careful. Oh,
Just you. I can put it inside.
can I see it?
Inside it. I need to help a lion. I helped that lion.
Let me show it. This is what it looks like.
The
It's a unicorn! Yay! And then what else? This is the unicorn.
I see something little.
What is it? What is it, Maya? Is it a panther?
A panther!
Oh my god, it's a panther! Oh, and it's so gooey. Look at that. It's stuck. Oh,
Look.
let me see.
Unicorn.
This is what we found. Oh,
I need someone to help me. Someone help me. Look at this one.
wow, it looks as cute as you, Maya.
Is. Whoa, look, mommy. Look, mommy.
Whoa! That looks pretty cool. We can't open it.
I am a panda.
Oh my god, we don't know how to open. We did it. Whoa! What does it smell like? Oh, it smells like. Oh, that one doesn't smell like anything. This one smells like blueberries.
They smell like
This or like some kind of fruit. Maya, don't put it in your mouth. That one doesn't smell like anything.
yes.
This one smells like some kind of berries.
Berries.
Mhm. Wow.
I make it together.
You wanna mix it together?
Like
Don't let it fall. Wow. That looks like a unicorn slime.
Like a
Are you sure you want to mix it? Oh my gosh, you mixed it.
It's like a unicorn.
Maya's doing slime farts. No, but you're recording yourself. So silly.
Oh.
We're doing slime mask. Okay, take it off. Uh-oh, it's stuck in your hair. Take it off on your own.